Hello guys, welcome to the day number 61 of video journaling. And it's your boy Astos Pradhan as usual here. As you can see, there's a little bit change in the background. And if you will know by time where I'm at and why I'm doing it, why I'm doing it from the last 60 days, you can go and watch this video, then come back to this video. Whatever I'm going through, whatever I'm doing in my life, I'm sharing my each and every single thing. Whatever I'm doing in my freelancing, like I'm sharing each and everything. So if you're the one who want to know more about it, go and watch this video, then come back to this video. So I'm setting my 5 p.m. of one day to another 5 p.m. So I will talk about my 30th of July of 5 p.m. to 31st of July 5 p.m. So I recorded my video, then I prepared myself for gym, then out for gym. In the gym, I had a lot of talk with my gym bros, and I had the back day. Got a lot of lessons, got a lot of guidance, and talked with a lot of guys. Let me check I on my video or not. Okay, I on my video, so there's nothing to worry about. I was just checking because it's a new place to record. It's not a new place. I lived here for like 18 years. There's some monkeys. Oh, that's cool. It's a wild place, full with environment, full with everything. So yeah, I did my gym, back to home. So getting back to the home, I did some stuff. I think I was calming downing myself. Then I had a drink as a milk. I drank a milk, and after drinking the milk, I do some my content work. After doing the content work, I do some prospecting. Did 3 outreaches to the eyewear brand. Then me myself preparing myself for the next day where I will visit to this place. I was doing the packaging and stuff. And after doing the packaging and stuff, I had a 2 calls. One with one of our Indian guy who is a freelancer too, and when it comes to another guy, he's an American. They are having some trouble in their life. So I was just consulting them about something. So it's good to have friends who always motivates you and you always motivates them. It's about mutual connection because we are growing each other in this online space wherever they are, because we have the same mindset. We are not at the same place, but we are at the same mindset, the same community. So having these people are too good. So you should motivate to each other, you should consult to each other, you can help each other. That's what I do. I had a like 1 hour call with both of them, 30 minutes of talk with a lot of topic. Then at 12 I get back to I went to home. I went to bed. These monkeys are getting crazy, so yeah, that's kind of scary because there are a lot of gangs out there, so it's kind of scary to make it. So yeah, nothing to worry. 12, I go to bed. At 5, I walk up, prepare myself for the bus travel, which will be the 5 hour long bus travel. Prepare myself, then I had my curd rice at the morning time as a breakfast. Then at 6:30, we took the bus. And in that time period, when I getting to the bus, I was making a blog. And the blog I was making in about this city where I lived for like 18 years of my life. So I shared about my school, my street, and the home I was living in. I said each and everything. So this video will be uploaded somewhere in the 1 week period of time. So yeah, that's not the problem. And one more thing. Uh, yeah, 5 hours to travel. In that time period, mostly I was listening to song, watching some podcast about communication and some English speaking things, which will make me better by time in my communication because I am using a lot of fluff words and filler words. And when it comes to my pronunciation, when I do over mouthing, it will be sound more Americans because Americans do more over mouthing. So that's how you can sounds more like American. That's what I do. So that's why I learned from that communication class for like I listen for like 45 minutes. I make some notes in the Discord channel, so I will not forget the things by time. So that's what I did in my all 5 hours. Also enjoying the nature while going outside. Then at 9 p.m. we had the rest, like bus stop some time up in the some place, so we could do some breakfast. There I had some breakfast, Italy, rice cake, you know. No, there's no Italy there. There's upma. Yeah. So I have the breakfast. Then at 11:10, around 11:10 or 20, I arrived there. We get into the my mom's staff's house because they have the good connection. In India, the relation between the family and the staff is a very positive, having good, friendly and stuff. It's not like abroad. I don't want to talk about some affairs and stuff. There's a lot, very less there right now. But the new generation are more into the affairs and stuff. But in the older generation, they're more friendly. They're more stuff in India. And some 1% case is something else. But 99% are friendly, being how to behave. They know. They know their morals. They know their boundaries. So yeah, got into there. And after getting into there, we had our mom's office work, which is a major thing. That's the reason why we came there. Had it for like 2 hours and 3 hours. Then in another staff's house, we had a dinner. Sorry, lunch. We talked with them. Hey, how you cook very well? How she cooks very well. And yeah, talking. This is his office mate. Her, my mom's office mate. She is her. Yeah, he is him. She is her. She is her. Okay. I'm kind of tripping most time on the he or she. It's not a problem, but it will be better. And having the yeah, lunch, then get back to the staff's room where we are. And I am on my street because it's there. The room is there. So yeah. And I also showed my home in my blog video, which will come in the 1 week period of time. My outside of my home, I did in the inside of the home where I was living in the street. As you can see, the bungalow, the big houses, it's very good. I was playing inside there because I have a lot of friends out there when I was living there because they transform like in every 2 years. These officers are saying it's called AN in railways, so it's changing every single year by time. And around 2 to 5, I was resting because I was fucking tired by bus travel. I was fucking resting. Then I studied for a little bit, like for 1 year, 1 hour period of time, income tax. I studied that. Then I get back to make content and do some stuff. I think that's my whole day. And if you didn't watch my new video on the YouTube, you can go and watch it. And my day 51 to day 60 vlogs, go and watch it. Bye bye, Tara, see ya, peace out.